Okay, hello there, welcome to Lumix Journey. We're going to be looking around Taunton today on this rather cloudy Monday. So we're starting off in East Reach, near the Tesco garage, and we've just moved in now into St Augustine Street, where there's quite a lot of terraced houses, as you can see there. So yeah, they're quite nice houses, really, quite sought after probably. So yeah, we've got a nice view of the church in the distance. There's the Taunton Minster. This is. Yeah, I'm going to be taking a walk towards the river, but we've got a rather nice mural here with poppies remembering people in the war. So it's quite a nice mural. Remember them. Okay, so we've got it's like a sort of council block here, but it's kind of got a curved back to it, which looks quite, well, I think it looks quite good, but maybe others don't. So this is Laburnum Street, where you've got a nice view of the Taunton Minster at the end. So where are we coming now? Yeah, this is the collar factory. So this is a fairly recent development with a lot of co-working space. So they're getting the windows nicely cleaned today. Yeah, it looks like they've got quite nice offices in there. So yeah, ideal if you don't want to own an office and want to just have some short-term co-working space, just right by the cricket ground. So now this is a development called Water's Edge, quite an expensive block. I've actually been into it, so look, it's nice views. So we've got some building going on here in Priory Bridge Road. I don't know what they're building there, but yeah, I can see that crane from where I live, so it's quite a big crane. We've got Brewers. Looking back towards the cricket ground and those big lights that some people didn't seem to like them very much, but I like the look of them. So yeah, this is Water's Edge again from the other side, and you've got the Viridor building just on the right. I don't think there's anyone still in it really. It looks empty to me. So this is the old Market Bridge here. It leads over to the fire pool sort of area. View of the river there, looking towards the town. So yeah, there's always this building with a flag on it here. I think there's a penthouse flat where they put a flag up. So I think this is a pretty expensive block. They always seem to be quite expensive, these apartments here. I think it's Canal Court or something like that. So these other buildings at the others, I'm not sure about them. They look a bit, well, what have we got here? Some more development. We've got a temporary solar powered lamp just next to this old people's development, McCarthy and Stone. Yes, this is quite a major development here. It's been taken a while to build, but hopefully, yeah, I think there's quite a lot of co-working space in here. It looks quite a nice spec. I think it's pretty good views actually from that building. So yeah, if you've got an office facing the town, you're going to have nice views of the churches and the hills beyond. There's the old people's block, McCarthy and Stone. It's pretty expensive, that block actually. So there's the multi-storey car park for the station. There is another block they built along there. We'll see that in a minute, I think. Yeah, this block, I think it's been built for the last couple of years. It looks quite tall, but probably about 9 stories, so it's going to have pretty good views once it's finished, I'm guessing. Looking back towards the Tech Innovation Centre again, towards the station. Yeah, this road was the NIDR, Northern Inner Distribution Road, so yeah, it used to be I think it was the old railway line that came along this route, but yeah, it's a handy route. So yeah, they've done a massive redevelopment of the station. I think it was about possibly 5-10 years ago. So they've made it so the main entrance is on the town side now, but you can still come in the back way if you want. And this is quite a nice hotel, I think. I haven't stayed in it, but I hear it's pretty good. It's obviously quite handy if you've just got off a train or you need to catch a train. So yeah. Well, we've got a railway. It's quite a nice mural here. I always think this mural. So you're going to get a bit of screech of tyres in a minute, I think. I don't know why somebody wasn't looking where they're going. But anyway, the Arts Hub. This is well worth looking around. I'm not sure if it's open today, but I've looked round it a couple of times. Yeah, looking towards the Innovation Centre in the distance there. I think this is still a dentist's building. I remember I used to go there to have teeth removed and things at one time. I used to dread it, but I think it's still a dentist. And we've got a bit of a Belvedere retail park. This is. It's a handy little co-op there if you ever need a. And the berries usually stop off there as well. So what we've got some murals here by the main bridge in the town. There's a new path there that you can go along the river. I don't know what I think they're going to develop this area at some time. It's a bit of an eyesore really, but okay. So this is the Independent Quarter. So yeah, there was a nice sort of street here. It used to be traffic, but it's now pedestrianised. Nice curry house. I can recommend the curry house on the right. So yeah.